When a user requests text-to-speech on a modern device, the text payload leaves the hardware, traveling across the network to a massive cloud server farm, where it processes and returns as an audio file. This round trip introduces hundreds of milliseconds of latency. That inherent delay disrupts the natural rhythm of human conversation, breaking the user experience of real-time voice agents. It also creates a financial scaling problem. Relying on Cloud APIs means developers pay recurring compute costs for every character rendered. Architecturally, it builds a critical point of failure. If the edge device loses its network connection, the core application functionality stops working. Finally, transmitting raw user text to third-party servers creates privacy and compliance friction, particularly for enterprise applications handling sensitive data. The software industry has long operated on the assumption that generating high-fidelity, multilingual text-to-speech requires massive, billion-parameter models that must live in the cloud. Supertonic is an architectural countermeasure to this dependency problem. It is a text-to-speech engine designed to execute entirely on the local device, achieving synthesis with zero network reliance. To achieve this, the entire model architecture is compressed down to exactly 99 million parameters. Securing true deployment scalability for enterprise systems requires bypassing the network bottleneck entirely and shifting the compute load directly to the edge. Modern open text-to-speech systems typically range in size from 0.7 to 2 billion parameters. Attempting to load a 2 billion parameter model into the working memory of a mobile device or embedded hardware causes immediate overflow. Supertonic solves this physical constraint by compressing its architecture down to exactly 99 million parameters. This efficiency is deployed using the ONNX Runtime wrapper. ONNX provides a standardized cross-platform interface that enables native inference across different operating systems. By combining the ONNX architecture with a small parameter count, the system removes the requirement for specialized GPU hardware. It executes natively within Python, Node.js, C++, Java, and Rust runtime environments. Shrinking the model size yields practical operational benefits, specifically minimizing the download footprint and enabling rapid startup times. Utilizing the ONNX runtime with a sub-100 million parameter model transforms text-to-speech from a monolithic cloud service into a portable library that integrates directly into local codebases. Historically, brittle text normalization has been a primary weakness of lightweight TTS models. Engineers were often forced to build extensive phonetic preprocessing pipelines to teach the model how to read basic numbers or abbreviations, adding significant engineering overhead. Supertonic bypasses this overhead by natively processing complex alphanumeric text strings across 31 supported languages. This benchmark table tracks normalization performance. The first test examines financial expressions. The string is 5.2 M. The supertonic column shows accurate native parsing. Converting this string requires recognizing the decimal, translating M to million, and moving the currency symbol to the end without manual scrubbing. The next row tests phone numbers with nested extensions. The model correctly handles the contextual formatting where larger cloud models fail. It algorithmically separates area codes, respects hyphens, and expands the abbreviated extension correctly within the sentence structure. The final benchmark evaluates technical units and abbreviated magnitudes. The system expands 30 kph into 30 kilometers per hour automatically. Native contextual parsing eliminates the need for brittle middleware, proving that massive parameter scale is not a prerequisite for accurate language understanding. Theoretical efficiency must be validated through physical hardware execution. Here, Supertonic is deployed directly onto a Raspberry Pi. It achieves a real-time factor fast enough for live audio synthesis on a thermally constrained CPU. It also deploys to low-power digital e-reader devices. Because there is zero network dependency, the system remains operational even in strict airplane mode environments. Expanding outward, utilizing Web GPU allows developers to run pure client-side inference directly inside a web browser. For developers, the ecosystem includes a dedicated Voice Builder feature. Voice Builder allows engineering teams to train custom voice models and deploy them directly to their local hardware. This provides permanent ownership of the text-to-speech asset, protecting the business from third-party licensing changes or service deprecation. Proving execution on a Raspberry Pi while securing permanent voice ownership allows developers to maintain full control over their audio stack without vendor lock-in. Measured and objective. As we've seen, all engineering architectures involve specific trade-offs. This graph maps local speed. The x-axis represents parameter size, and the y-axis tracks zero-shot emotional range. Massive cloud models sit in the upper right quadrant. They define the upper bound of emotional variance, but carry massive compute cost. Supertonic's optimized niche is plotted here in the lower left. It trades extreme emotional range for high-speed, lightweight edge execution. This profile is advantageous for system-critical prompts, navigation interfaces, and structured data reading, where stability is more important than dramatic expression. Supertonic provides 31 language support, consistent text denormalization, and reliable CPU execution. It offers data privacy and reduced operational costs. You can examine the source code and download the ONNX assets directly at the Supertonic repository. Subscribe to the channel for more architectural deep dives into engineering and edge computing. Optimizing an architecture to fit the specific constraints of the edge provides a viable alternative to the trend of